Alright guys, here it is. Here is the seat that's going on the Rebel. It's a Mustang tripper seat. Now, let's compare it to the original. Oh! See how that worked, didn't you? Alright. Now, right off the bat, you can really see a difference here. It's several inches wider than the original. You can see. And look how much thicker it is than the original. Alright? You know everything Mustang is nice, right? But it's still going to get rained on. Let's put it on. Okay, I have set it on here. It's a little bit tricky because when you put it on, you have to get it under this lip right here. And it's not hard to get it under the lip. See, it's already under the lip. But what makes it a little difficult is right here, the tabs don't exactly line up. So we're going to see if I can get them in there by pulling this forward a little bit and getting them started with this Allen wrench. And it may be difficult. Matter of fact, I'm going to have trouble. Okay, the directions say get it under the lip of the tank, but that's actually not true. Sitting right behind the lip of the tank is a little small area, and that's actually where it attaches itself to. Then the bolts fall right on top of the hose to get the nuts in here. Sorry you're looking at the back of my head. But that's just the way it works sometimes. All right, let's see if we can get this started. Uh-oh. Yes, 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 we are getting it, guys. Yes. Now, what I don't like about this is the original seat has rubber bushings on the seat. This one doesn't. So, hopefully it won't cause any trouble. We will find out, though. It's a little bit hot out here, guys. This is going to make the ride on this bike so much more comfortable, and it's actually going to raise the seat profile an inch or so, inch or two. That won't hurt anything. Come on now, go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. I know this guy, this is a naked bike, guys, but there's going to be some changes coming that I did not foresee when I purchased this bike. And instead of buying another bike, I really like this one. I'm going to make it suit my needs and make a few changes. It's going to be cool, though. At least I hope so. All right. Alright, so there the puppy is with the Mustang seat on it. You gotta admit, it looks really good. It looks really good. And it's comfortable too. I think it was $368, and it's called a Mustang tripper seat. And they're very hard to find, but if you can find one, get it, get it, get it.